Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, a warm welcome to my beautiful corner of the world here in the south of Ireland. Today marks the beginning of a really exciting and deeply meaningful project for me. When we moved here during the pandemic, one of the first things we did was to set up camera traps around the garden to discover what local wildlife might visit, if any. After a few weeks, it became apparent that our nocturnal visitors included more than just the neighbourhood cats. Irish red foxes were regular visitors too. It's incredibly important to me that the local wildlife feels safe on this land, and I've now realised that I have a natural wildlife corridor passing through my garden that deserves to be protected. The lower garden seems like the right safe space, but it needs a path for wildlife to traverse unseen, and the slope is too steep right now, which is why our nocturnal visitors pass through using the steps instead. Here in my garden, many of the plants are non-native. Lovely though they are, they have not evolved alongside native Irish wildlife. Even though the bees do love the flowers, I'd like to restore some of the balance to the ecosystem here along this nature corridor. But how? I have no idea how to do rewilding, but I'm determined to figure this out. I think my first step will be to create a space for testing plants near the corridor to see what native Irish plants like to grow here. To do this, I'll need to build a raised bed using terracing techniques, which doubles as a retaining wall on this very steep slope. This project is not about rewilding my entire garden, but more like giving a tithe back to nature, creating a dedicated space where local wildlife can flourish. So over the next few videos, you'll be joining me on this journey as we learn together. We'll cover everything from planning and building a raised bed using terracing techniques, to selecting and planting the perfect native Irish flora in the raised bed to see how they'll do here. If you're interested in learning about terracing, native gardening, and how we can all create our own little patch of biodiversity, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss a single step. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So long and happy gardening.